Hello everyone, welcome to Energy Ka Mahakumbh Intersolar 2026, and today we are here at the stall of Energy Ka Powerhouse Grew Solar for having a thoughtful conversation. Welcome to Renewable Mirror, sir. So sir, can you please tell us more about how the investment from the overseas of 1.5k crore is going to help Grew Solar in expanding?
Okay, first of all, a small correction. It's not 1.5k, it is 1050 crores, which is around $115 million. So, this is come in from Bay Capital. So, this is basically to expand our solar line manufacturing capacity. So, currently we have a 3 gigawatt line which is coming up, which will be up and running by April, and then we have another 5 gigawatts. So this is basically to expand the additional 5, which is going to be up and running by the end of this year. So end of 26, we should be having a cell line of around 8 gigawatts of TOPCon G12R.
Sir, please tell us more about the facilities that Grew Solar have in Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. What are the latest advancements over there?
So in Rajasthan, as you must be aware, we have just now added another 3.5 gigawatts line of G12R modules. So our total capacity now in Rajasthan is 6.5 gigawatts, and there is construction is underway for another 4.5. So we'll be at around 11 gigawatts of modules by the end of 26. And in Madhya Pradesh, as I mentioned to you, we have the cell line coming up, which will be around 8 gigawatts by the end of the year. And then we also have plans to add ingot wafer over there, another 8 gigawatts of ingot wafer. So that will, of course, take some time. Should be there by around 27, 28.
Sir, what are the plans of Grew Solar for the international markets?
So international market, we have been, last year or so, we have been participating in various expos. We've been interacting with various stakeholders. We've been getting a good response. Due to this tariff situation in US, so it had become a little slow and challenging in the last, few months, especially last 1 year. But there also we see a correction happening, and that market should also open up. We are very aggressively looking at, at the export market in the coming year.
Sir, as the tagline of Intersolar says, Energy Ka Mahakumbh, and your brand is one of the powerhouse of renewable energy sector. So, sir, what kind of expectations do you have from this edition of Intersolar?
So we have been participating in Intersolar in Munich, in Intersolar in US, and Intersolar here. It's an opportunity, it's a platform where we get to interact with all our stakeholders, which is our customers, our dealer, distributor partners, vendors. So various stakeholders, we get to come on a single platform and meet with them. So this year also we look forward to having that interaction. So till now it's it just opened up, so looks good.